I'm never wasting. I get these tries, calling granny, pray for me. This shit ain't never leave, I'm never waiting, safe for me. Although I hang a punch before you think about snaking me. Even just take a penny before you think about taking me.
I don't want to hear no more loud cars.
They say loud, I don't want to take too much from you. Say I do too much, but I just do what I can do. They off and beat the road, come back and beat the room. Ain't how I need it all, somehow I'm beating you. You turn that money car, you gotta know I'm coming through. Every time I'm money fall, you gotta know that it's on you. You having money shy, tell me who did that for you. How you listening to your phone, say how I'm bad for you. You know I do the most and they can't do the half of you. Even though if I wouldn't have it, I probably wouldn't have you. Even though I gave my heart, but that don't mean I had to. I get these tries, calling granny, pray for me.
Hey, cool. We at the gas station, cool. We finna get ready to go. This is not just fucking with y'all.
Yeah, we is putting gas right now, man.
Yeah.
Guess this number, I'm gonna cash up you $20. Y'all can guess what number it is. The first person to guess the number, get a cash app with $20.
So if you can guess how much gas Reek putting in the car right now, he gonna cash app you $2,000. Oh, $20, bro.
Wait, what?
$20. Everybody can use a dub. But yeah, man, we finna head to the hangar. Reek finna go blow everybody's eardrums out.
So y'all guess that number, and then y'all can get $20.
But yeah, man, we finna get ready to head to the hangar. We finna have a good time. Fire truck. Or as the kids say, Amber-lam. My nigga just hit a U-turn for real.
That bitch is a third. We got Twin taking the wipers off, cause we do not need them. But look, so we're gonna take the wipers off, right? Cause his look like this. Don't y'all think this look cleaner? Like, but don't y'all think this look cleaner? Like, if I don't need the wipers in the first place, I don't drive in the rain. So yeah, we're just gonna take them off right now, put them in the trunk. Yeah.
This car does not get driven in the rain, bro. You do not need wipers.
But this look crazy though. Maybe it's the hood. Maybe it's the hood.
Yeah, stop playing.
Alright. Before I go in there.
What is that?
Caution.
Yeah, stop playing.
Alright.
Yeah, cause we had a private shit here.
Yeah.
So there's only so many people allowed in.
Facts. Let me put this in there. It's already recorded.
That shit was free.
Huh?
That shit was free.
Yeah, it was free too, yeah.
Lift it up like this.
Cause he be doing shit.
Oh,
We ain't got a perfect cat like you.
Nah, chill. Watch out.
Yeah, it is perfect. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Ain't a speck of dirt on it. Oh no, handprint.
Hey, the black and white, man. That's all that matters.
My shit finna be a different color though, so y'all already stay tuned for that. Y'all comment down below what kind of rap y'all think I'm gonna do. This is gonna be some crazy shit. So what they doing over there? But Twin, I know he shoot hella flames. Like his flame be like goddamn day long. So we're waiting on the fire marshal.
How the fuck? You didn't see that boogie?
The fire marshal is here. He on the other side. He
Yeah.
at the taco place.
I guess they gotta like walk around.
The fire marshal got a car because that man that brought the planes.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, or like, are you gonna start your YouTube up or like what's going on?
Yeah,
Type shit. But as y'all see, we is finna get something to eat. I don't know if y'all see me eat here yesterday, but I did get some food from another pit. It's kind of like, I'm gonna get a quesadilla. What you gonna get?
I'm gonna get 3 tacos asada. That means 3 steak tacos.
I told you.
3 steak tacos.
I told you.
That's the best.
I'm
So they
telling
sell
you, bro.
chicken, steak, all that.
What you gonna put on it though?
The cilantro and the onion and the lemon. That's like the traditional
What's a
Mexican way.
cilantro?
It's like I really want to know how to explain it to you. It's like lettuce, but not really lettuce. It's like some green little. I don't know how to explain it to you. Hold on,
Type shit.
I'll tell you.
I bet. Can I get the same thing you got, but like I don't want onions or lettuce.
You want 2
Two.
chickens?
1 chicken and 1 steak. And then I'll take a drink too. Pineapple.
So what do you want on the
Really just cheese.
chicken?
Alright.
Oh, so I got the tacos with the chicken and the steak on that bitch.
Here's what I got. I'm letting my cheese melt my joint. Look.
Yeah, you gotta
Y'all
heat
don't
it.
know what this is? Y'all gotta get this. It's like what? Pineapple Fanta, but the Mexican pineapple Fanta. Y'all don't get this? Y'all gotta get this.
Yeah, I got the guava shit. Yeah, I got that quesadilla. Finna smash. They turned into a fucking oven in this motherfucker.
Damn. It's summertime? God damn.
Nah, that boy Reek just showed his motherfucking ass, nigga. Anybody gotta go after him, I feel sorry for y'all. Anybody that's trying to hear some shit right now, I feel sorry for y'all. It ain't gonna happen. Nigga, you're dead from life. For life, nigga. It's over with.
Oh, wow. I was like, oh shit, goddamn. That bitch was
That boy
breathing.
changed the temperature in the room. Bro, I feel sorry if anybody gotta go after you.
Damn. We gonna see. We don't feel sorry yet. We gonna see. Yeah, we gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see.
Oh, you got it on video?
Yeah, like, I already like it.
Oh, you
Bro.
gotta goddamn mention me in that. Damn. Damn. I was trying to get close to y'all, but I ain't wanna goddamn blow your eardrums off. Damn.
Bro, that shit is good as fuck.
Facts. You got my Instagram?
SRTRIQ, right?
Yeah, SRT, yeah, with 2 Qs.
2 Q?
Yeah.
So,
tires getting sticky. The tires get sticky. You can go again.
Nah, for real. Nah, it's 'cause you know what it was? When I was sliding, I had accidentally hit the paddle shifter.
Oh.
So that's why I started catching. That's why I hit that, because I put it in third and it caught. Dumbass.
This shit on him too.
Yeah, it is.
Nah, don't come up with that bullshit. I'm tough.
Well, they're gonna have to put some AC in that motherfucker.
He hit it. I can't. It's not bad.
I mean, there's like.
Ain't no mark, man. I ain't see shit. It's like it just bounced the fence over. It didn't hurt it.
Bro, it caught third gear, second gear. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I think what it hit was like the tire bumped the fence and kicked it out.
Yeah, I like, damn, yo, look like damn.
Yeah, don't fuck the rims up, bro.
Alright, so what's up, bro? How it sound?
I got
Crazy.
I'm saying like in your ears, outside.
Yes, that shit is loud. That shit is loud. Hold on. Well, you can't hear now, but.
What you said? Okay, he can do something.
Hey, I'm like, okay. You just turn around, hold the brakes, all that. I was like, okay.
Bro, and then, yeah, when you sat over there in that corner, you held it and you went back the other way. I was like, oh yeah.
Yeah.
See,
I said he in
But
that mode right
like
now.
I said, man, the paddle shifters, I got big hands, man.
I would have been at blowing up temperatures by
No
now.
cap.
I
Well,
should have blew up.
my pipes got red because I felt it on my floor.
Oh, for real?
Oh, you can feel it through your floor?
Yeah, I can feel it through my floor.
Yeah, we can see
You
it.
don't feel it through your floor? Through your floor thing?
No.
Hey, your lights on, by the way.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but no.
With the pussy like a sweatshop, like I'm working at Sheen. Have me tripping for a sec, like it's short of bugging. Damn, fuck it, do it for the plaque, cause if she got the bubbly, I'ma eat her with the chops, like yeah.